Hello, hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. This time as usual the makeup tutorial, so let's start. I am using the Urban Decay Quick Fix in the coconut flavor. Yummy. Next, I am applying the L'Oreal Pure Centella Micro Essence Water. And then I am applying the Leola Glow Serum. Next is the moisturizer from Biotherm, the Aqausource Gel. For primer, I am applying the Transforming Smoothing Primer from L'Oreal. For the foundation, I am using the NRC Perfection Treatment Foundation in the coat Light. For concealer, I am using Nars in the coat Custard. To contour, I am using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Contour Cream Kit, the Pro Series in the coat Medium. So I just blend it. I am using a little amount of the contouring because it is super pigmented. For the blusher, I am using the cream blusher from the Anastasia Beverly Hills palette. So to set everything, I am using the NRC Loose Powder. It is a translucent powder, so it will be suitable for all skin tone. For my eyebrow, I am using the Brow Artist Xpert from L'Oreal. I love the shape of the pencil. It is easy for you to shape your eyebrow because it has a triangle shape. For eyeshadow, I am using this Wanderlast palette from Breena Beauty. So I'll take the color Teacup for transition. And then I take a little bit of a suntan, just apply underneath the transition color. And then I take the color Rusty and apply it on top of suntan. And then I take the color Diary and just apply it onto my crease and take a little bit to the inner corner of my eyes. And then I take the color Date and apply it on the outer corner of my eye and take it in the middle and apply it on the inner corner of my eyes. And then I'll repeat the same technique using the color Jet Lag to define my inner and outer corner of my eyes. As you can see, I didn't apply any eyeshadows on my eyelid. Now I am applying a little bit of concealer on my eyelids. After the concealer, I apply the eyeshadow in the color Enchanted, and then I will take the color Antique and apply it on top of Enchanted. And then I take the color Date and Jet Lag to define my inner and outer corner of my eyes. For my lower lashes, I take the color Teacup and Suntan and also Rusty. And then I take a flat brush and apply the color Sand and Fudge. For mascara, I am wearing this Lash Paradise from L'Oreal. Love this mascara. It is very easy to apply. You can get it from Watson or Guardian nearby you. For lashes, I am wearing Elise in the code 8190. And then I am using the LeStylo Smokey eyeshadow pencil from L'Oreal. This is in the code 103. And to contour a little bit more, I am using the Bobbi Brown in the code 4. For blusher, I am wearing Nars in the code Gina. For my lip color, I am wearing the new Matte Obsession from L'Oreal in the code Cherry Crush. And then I apply a little bit of Chocolate Rouge. Last but not least, I will set my makeup with the Urban Decay Quick Fix in the coconut flavor. Yes, yummy. So this is the final look that I created, that I can go for a special dinner or an event. If you like this tutorial, please like, share, comment and subscribe. See you on my next video. Thank you for watching. Bye.